posting, keep showing up, post consistently, post every day. That is what they tell you, right? But your videos are still not getting any views. As a matter of fact, do not post that content until you watch this video from start to finish. The reason why I clicked on this video is because you're not getting any views on your videos that you spend time and hours, effort creating. And of course, I know you're talented, you want to share your talent to the world, you want other people from different races, different cultures to connect with you, but the algorithm is not pushing your videos. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you things that you're currently doing wrong and why the algorithm is not pushing your videos, so that you could improve on that thing, so the algorithm can pick your videos and of course you start getting progress and your YouTube channel grows eventually. Now, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're getting to see my face for the first time, my name is VidIQ Kennedy, and on this channel I share with you different ways to start and grow your online business, and I also share with you tips on how you could actually scale your YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe to the channel not to miss out on any of our content that we actually upload here on the channel. And if you've not yet liked this video, go down and like this video, subscribe, drop a comment, share to a friend or a family who needs to see this video. Alright, let somebody succeed with you along the way. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now let's start with number one thing that you might be doing wrong when actually uploading your videos. You uploading via the YouTube app. As a matter of fact, when you're uploading your video as a creator on the YouTube platform, do not use the YouTube app. The YouTube app is mainly for the viewers to actually watch and enjoy content. Now, when you're uploading videos, head over to studio.youtube.com. There you get more features to post your videos directly. Now, let me share with you how it looks like. So, while you're on the YouTube studio, now let's assume you're uploading a video. Now, right on the video, you actually need to put in the title of whatever video that you're uploading. Then you come over here, you can actually put in your description. One thing that helps push your videos to more audience is actually adding the right keywords in your description as a new channel, because to help YouTube algorithm recommend your videos to the right audience who are interested in whatever you are posting. And also, here's a very cool feature that I've not seen many people talk about on YouTube, especially people who talk about YouTube, right? Now, there's the test and compare. Now, the test and compare allows you to upload 3 different thumbnails at a time. And I'm sure you get this feature if only you're using the YouTube Studio. I don't know, right? And you actually get this feature if you're using the YouTube Studio. Now, in the test and compare thumbnails, you can actually upload 3 different thumbnails, and it's actually going to do a split test. Now, it's going to run for a period of around 14 days. Then after 14 days, it's going to show you the thumbnail that your audience prefers the most. Then that thumbnail will be on the video, and it's going to help with maximum views on your videos. So this test and compare is a very quick feature that I've been utilizing for the past 1 year. I'm literally sharing my secret to see people, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Alright, then once you scroll down right here, there's also something called playlist. Now, building playlist on YouTube is a very, very important feature, because playlist is going to help recommend other of your videos. Now, when somebody watch one of your video in a playlist, the person can easily watch another of your video in your channel. So if you don't know how to build a playlist, just comment down in the description playlist, and in another video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can build playlist the right way. Right now, once you scroll down, you can actually see show more. Now, once you click on the show more, there's something called tags. Adding tags to a video is also an important feature, because it's going to help you to recommend your video to the right audience. Right now, you could actually add video location. Now, video location is going to help in targeting your audience. So if you're not putting video location in your previous videos, try adding video locations. Now, here's another thing that you could do for YouTube to start recommending your videos, and of course you start getting the right audience and also the right views you deserve on your videos, is start using your account to actually engage with other people's content. Now, you should let YouTube know that your account is actually an active account, so use it to watch other people's videos in your niche, also interact, also drop a like, comment, so they know your account is active, so they can start pushing your videos also to your right audience. Now, number 3 thing that you should make sure to do for you to actually start getting the right views you deserve is to start posting the content that your own audience are interested in. Don't post what you like, rather post what your audience like. So basically, if you post a video that your community likes, they will have no other reason to engage in your videos. Number 4, work on your thumbnails. thumbnails are the first thing that people see before clicking a video. Now, if you actually want me to make a tutorial on how to actually create thumbnail, just let me know. And also, I'll be recommending 2 AI tools that you can actually use to create thumbnails. The first one is Google Labs Wix, right? You could actually use it to create high quality thumbnails for your videos. Also, you could use Google Labs Image Effects. You could use it to create quality thumbnails for your videos, and you can use Canva to create high quality thumbnails for your videos. So make sure to work on the thumbnails of your videos, because that is what an audience sees first before actually clicking on your video. So take note of all this that I've listed out, and of course you're going to see progress and changes in your channel. Now let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and of course don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to see more awesome content like this. I'll be seeing you in the next video. It is bye bye for now. Stay winning. Cheers.